In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a Google Meet video from chat. This can be incredibly useful if you're already in conversation with someone and you decide that a face-to-face meeting is needed. So, without further ado, let's dive right in and go through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open up Google Calendar. This is the starting point for accessing various Google services seamlessly. Head to your browser and type in calendar.google.com, or you may have a shortcut directly from your Google Apps menu if you're signed into your account. Next, when you're in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the grid of dots you see in the upper right corner. This is your Google Apps launcher. Clicking on it will present you with a drop-down menu containing all the applications that are linked to your Google account, providing a neat way to access the full suite of Google's services from anywhere within their ecosystem. Once the drop-down menu appears, you should look for the Chat option. Google Chat is your go-to application for sending messages and, in this case, starting video calls while chatting with your contacts. Simply click on Chat, and you'll find yourself directed to the chat interface. Now, inside Google Chat, it's time to select a contact you want to have a conversation with. If your contact list isn't already visible, you can search for who you're looking for using the search bar at the top. Click on the contact once you find them, and this will open up a chat window. With the chat window open, go ahead and type a message to your contact. This could be a simple hello, something more substantial about the topic you wish to discuss, or even a quick note to let them know you require a more direct form of communication and will be starting a video call. After you've typed your message, it's time to send it. You can do this by pressing either the Enter key on your keyboard or hitting the send icon, which looks like a paper airplane on the chat interface. This step ensures that communication is initiated and your contact is aware that you're reaching out. Now for the main part, initiating the video call. There's an icon that looks like a video camera, typically found at the top right corner of your chat window. Clicking on this icon will launch a Google Meet video call. Your contact will receive an invite, and once they accept, you both will be connected through video. And there you have it. A straightforward way to start a Google Meet video from chat, turning simple text interactions into effective, real-time face-to-face conversations. Enjoy the enhanced interaction and make the most of your chats.